Hello children, today we will learn how to do addition and subtraction of decimals. Okay, so we are having example add 5 decimal 3 or 5.3 and 6.9. Okay, we have to add these two 5.3 and 6.9. Okay, so first of all we have to write them in proper way. So look here how to write them. This is ones and this is tens and this is 10th part. T means 10th part. What is the meaning of this T? 10th part. Okay, so 5.3, 5 under ones place and 3 means under 10th part. 3 decimal 3 means 3 by 10. Okay, already you have done that. 3 by 10 means 10th part of 3. Okay, then 6 decimal 9 we have to write like this, 6 decimal 9. Now simple, we have to add these 10th part of 3 and 10th part of 9. We have to add all this. 3 plus 9 is equal to 12. So 1 is carry will go there under 1s. So 5 plus 6 is equal to 11 plus 1 is equal to 12. Again 1 carry. Okay, that will go here and here is no digit, then 1 will come here. 5 plus 6, 11 plus 1, 12. Okay, there is no other digit now. So one more example, subtract 7.4 from 11.3. Okay, when we are doing subtraction, then we have to write down firstly 11.3 minus 7.4. 11.3. Again this 11 is written like this under ones and under tens, and this 3 is 10th part of 3. Then 7 minus 7.4. We have to subtract now. 3 minus 4 is not possible, then we will take 1, borrow from the next digit. From 1 we have taken 1, then here are 13 and 1 minus 1 here will be 0. Okay, now 13 minus 4 is equal to 9. Now here we are having 0, then 0 minus 7 is not possible. We will take 1, borrow from this 1. When we have taken 1, borrow from this 1, here will be 10 and here will be 0. Okay, now 10 minus 7 is equal to 3. Now here are some example questions. Practice zone 5 is given here. Add 2 decimal or 2.7, 2 decimal 7, both are same, plus 5.4. So now simple, we have to add. This is under 10th part and this is under 1's part and this is under 10's. So for doing addition, 7 plus 4 is equal to 11. 1 is there, carry, and 2 plus 1 3, 3 plus 5 8. That is simple. You already know how to do addition of such type questions. Now 0 decimal 2 and 0 decimal 9. 9 plus 2 is equal to 11. 1 is carry, so 1 plus 0 is equal to 1. We are getting 1.1 answer. Next is 11.3 plus 7.5. Again plus 5 plus 3 8. 7 plus 1 8 and 1 here. Okay, 18.8. Our answer is 18.8. Next is 3.2 minus 0.6. Now we have to do subtraction. So 2 minus 6 is not possible. We will take what? Borrow from next digit. So 3, from 3 we will take borrow. Here will be 12 and here will be 2. So 12 minus 6, 6, and 2 minus 2 is 2 minus 0 is equal to 2. Then next we are getting 2.6 answer. And 9, now 0 decimal 9 and 0 decimal 2. Okay, so 9 minus 2 is equal to decimal 7, and this decimal will come here. 0 minus 0 is equal to 0. Next is 17.2 minus 4.5. When we will subtract, then 2 minus 5 was not possible, then we will take 1, borrow from next digit. Here will be 6 and here will be 12. 12 minus 5 is equal to 7. 6 minus 4 is equal to 2 and 1 will be here. 12.7. Our answer is 12.7. So practice all these questions. Okay.